Hello, my name is Jeff and welcome to Select Motors Ltd. Our website is selectmotors.com. This is a 2010 GL450. The color is Tenorite Grey Metallic with black interior. It's a 4.5 liter V8 engine. This has the factory running boards. Has like new Pirelli tires. The wheels are in excellent condition. The body's virtually flawless. There's no dings or scratches, and the paint is beautiful. Power seats on both sides, and the driver's side has a power memory along with power tilt steering. Factory moonroof, automatic climate control, factory navigation, really nice wood grain. Has the rear entertainment screens. The center seats will fold down flat. Has a glass roof for the rear passengers as well. So look at the rear seats. Here's a look at the tires. LED tail lights. It says parking sensors, tow package. Power tailgate, and the rear seats are power. Nice feature. There we go. I guess one seat didn't go down all the way. We'll relatch it. So factory navigation, 6-disc CD changer. Naturally it has Bluetooth, steering wheel controls, automatic climate control. Rear backup camera. Back on the outside. Real nice luggage rack, chrome luggage rack. Beautiful automobile. Drives excellent, very comfortable, safe, and spacious. Great value for the money. Thanks for looking in. Give us a call. We'd love to tell you more about this vehicle.